What's up, YouTube? Back again. Me and Dax. Fit check. Fit check. Take the play out. Got some of my kicks. Huh? So, we about to head to Galveston. Me and Dax today. What's up, Papa? Careful. What?
Dad, look. I threw over here.
I know, but stop right there. Somebody full of energy. So we about to head to Galveston to the Rainforest, Moody Gardens. We're going to get down there today, me and Dax. I need a haircut. As usual. We're going to head to Galveston. Y'all see my shirt? Yeah. So we're going to head to Galveston, me and Dax. Go have some fun at the Rainforest. Not the cafe, the actual Rainforest at Moody Gardens. Pretty cool. It's going to be my first time, his first time. We already been to the aquarium. So we're going to go see monkeys and all type of animals and stuff. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Let's go. You see him?
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Hey. That's what it looks like here.
A fish.
That's too much still. Looks like still underneath.
Gets you top dollar. Go to topdoglaw.com. That's topdoglaw.com.
That's right. Hell on my lip. So me and Dax are just finishing up here. There you go. Now he's awake. He was asleep earlier. But now, turn it on for the copyright. Anyway, we just finna be leaving Moody Gardens. Me and Dax. You have fun, buddy?
No.
You lie.
I want to ride on the ride.
So he wants to ride the rides, but the rides are not open right now. So next time we're gonna come back and we'll ride the rides. But The rainforest was quick. It was over too quick, huh? The rainforest wasn't that big. I thought it would be way bigger than that. But we seen a couple cool things.
Yeah.
I didn't get to record as much.
No,
People was all in the goddamn
It's
way,
supposed
huh?
to have the mallets. It's supposed to have the big lights over there. It's supposed to have the big lights over there. The mall lights over there.
Yeah, but they closed for right now. But it's cool. We'll come back again. We'll come back again. What's up, Papa?
The people put the big lights over there. The people put the mall lights right there.
The big ride's over there. See, Slid Bar, and then they got that, but that's closed for right now. That open in the summertime.
That one open?
Yeah, not right now. Remember, it open in the summertime. So we're gonna come back in the summertime. We had fun. I couldn't get as much footage as I wanted because people was all in the way. You know, when you come to these places, man, there's people everywhere, just all in the way. And I don't like having people all in my videos. And, I don't like really people, you know, seeing me record because then people be watching, looking at you and following you around and all that shit. Like, motherfucker, I'm not famous. I'm just recording stuff that I do on this channel that's I think is fun with my family, with my kids especially. So anyway, so we finna head back to our side of town. Hopefully y'all like the video. Like, I got a couple things in there, a couple of little things. Man, I didn't get the snake. We seen a couple different snakes. We seen a couple different tarantulas. Bugs. They had a bunch of bugs, and that's why I couldn't be in the rainforest because I don't really mess with bugs. So anyway, y'all go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one. We out.